In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change app icon on Windows 11. And if you find like you wanting to change the app icon on Windows 11 to your own custom images for app icon, this is what we have to do. So first of all, before proceeding, make sure that you have image or save it a kind of image that you wanted to create it as a desktop icon. So what you need to do is want to have the image, you have to go over here, get into the Google Chrome. Now from here, you have to just type here the following thing. The first and foremost step is all about, you have to type convert image to ICO over here like this. Type convert image to ICO. Make sure that you type it properly and just press enter. Now from here, you have to go over here, click on this one called Cloud Convert, which is one of the best one for these kind of things. Just click on this one over here. Now from here, you have to click on this select file. And from here, you have to select the image that you wanted to add it over here and make sure the size or the shape of the image should be in kind of a square icon like this and go for the open over here. And once you set this up, it is going to convert into an ICO file. You have to click on the settings icon. Now from here, you have to set this to 100 for the width. And also you have to set this for height should be 100 as well. And just go for the OK. And you have to click on the convert over here. And right now it will be converted successfully, and once it is successfully done, you have to click on the download icon over here. So it is converted over here like this. And right now, after you convert it, what you need to do is you have to go over here, find the app that you wanted to change. For example, if I wanted to change any one of these apps over here, for example the NVIDIA app, I have to go over here, right click. Now from here, I have to go to show more options and go to the properties. Now go to the compatibility. So not compatibility, you have to click on the shortcut, and there is an option called change icon. You have to click on this. Now from here, click on the browse, and from here you have to go to the downloads, and over here you can see this is the icon that I'm going to keep it over here. So just go for it open, and once it is added, what you need to do is you have to go for it OK. And as you can see, the official NVIDIA app is being right now changed into the image that the custom image that has been set. Go for apply and go for it OK. And right now you can see the NVIDIA app. This is how it looks like. This is not the usual way, and this is how we can do it. And you can do it customization for every app that you wanted. You can do it on a Windows level. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.